it's me. I'm back. I'm here outside filming because it's beautiful. Why not? And I finally got all my ipsy stuff. Yay! So, well, let's get into it. I got my ipsy glam bag right here. This is cute. This is like summery little bag. I've never gotten ipsy before. It is what it is. It's a little bag. It's cute though. I like the colors. Pretty. Let's see what's in it. So I guess, do I have a card? Do I get a card? Does the card tell you anything? I don't know. Not really, no. Okay. I don't really tell you anything. Alright. So I get this Lauren Conrad lip gloss. Does it give me a color? No? But this is it. I have it on top of my lipstick right now. But this is the color. Let's see if I can swatch it so you guys can get a kind of what it looks like. Yep. And then I got, what else did I get? Oh, a little touch of water cream, which I have on underneath my makeup. Just a little sample. It smells like a spa. Like what you expect a spa. Yep. I have it on. I'm pleasantly surprised with it. Is it worth the money? Is it different from any other moisturizer I've tried? No. Next, the new company, the pill, all-in-one serum, AHA, vitamin C, AHA. And as you know, with skincare, you can't really tell right away, so I have to give that time. And then next is a Car Skin Pure Lip Restoration. So I'm going to guess some sort of, doesn't say, treatment. A lightweight creamy treatment guaranteed to provide instant hydration for dry and chapped lips. It's got antioxidants to help fight sun-induced oxidative stress and lessen the appearance of lines. Let's crack it open and see what it looks like. Oh. So this is it. That's cute. Oh, it's yellow inside. It wasn't clear. It doesn't really have a scent though. No scent whatsoever. And then next, the last is item. Overdue. Extra intense moisturizer for dry skin. Let's see. Fast absorbing super luxe moisturizer. Intensely hydrates. Tiger grass extract. Argan oil. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what it smells like. All that. I haven't opened it yet. Oh, that's cute. That's a little cap. Okay. Oh, it's a pump. So let's see. Okay. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. It is a light like fresh scent. Ooh, it does feel moisturizing now. Ooh, that's a good one. Okay, I like this one. All right, so that is it for my glam bag. That was pretty cool stuff. I was happy with that for a first one. So that's the glam bag. And then what else came? My glam bag X came. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh Lord, it's like a newspaper, this. And this is curated by Khloe Kardashian. So the first thing I got was this one size palette from Patrick Starr. I have it on my eyes right now. What did I think of it? I liked it. I enjoyed it. This is what it looks like. This whole like thing, like aesthetic, threw me off. But this is what it looks like. You open it up. There's a mirror. A nice size mirror with the makeup. Pull that up. And I do have it on my, like, oh, my eye is watering so bad. It's driving me crazy. I do have it on my eyes right now. Excuse this. But it's nice. I had a word removed. This is what it looks like. They were blended really easy. The shimmers went on. I did not have to wet my brush. I didn't have to use a finger. They just went on with a dry brush easily. They blended easily. I enjoyed the palette a lot more than I thought I was going to. I really did. I would reach for this again, just because of how blendable and creamy and pigmented all the shadows were. Next, the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I have this one. I like it. I've never tried it. I've never been a big fan of the Morphe. I had a couple of their eyeshadow palettes back in the day. I didn't enjoy them just because I thought they were chalky. I have a couple Morphe brushes. I guess the real hair ones. They're okay. I have other brushes I enjoy more. But this surprised me. I liked the mister on it. I liked my makeup feels set. It did a good job. I enjoyed it. I would use it again. Next, oh, the MAC Love Me lipstick in the shade Baked Breath, and that is what I have on my lips right now. This is what it looks like. This is what you get. Let's see. And that's what it looks like. And again, it's on my lips. I mean, my liner is the Becca liner, but you know, counts that. Next, what's next? Oh, this I was excited about. I used this on my brows. I enjoyed it. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pen, in blonde. I'm pretty pleased with Ipsy so far this month, just because I feel like they look at your profile. As to where I haven't been thrilled with BoxyCharm, because I don't feel like, I mean, it's light, but I mean, it's blonde. I have blonde brows, and this has darkened them up a smidge, which is what I like. It's just really easy to use. It feels nice. It doesn't feel heavy. I liked it a lot. Would I repurchase it? Absolutely. And I didn't think I would like a brow pen, but I love it. Next, what's this? Aceology Overnight Lip Mask. Exfoliating, hydrating, smoothing. Haven't tried it. I'll have to give it a go. Oh, it's like in a little tube. Okay. I like a lip mask. Whoa. Jesus, that came out fast. All right. That's what it looks like. Yeah. Yeah, it's typical, like a lip mask. Heavy. But I have a feeling I'll like this a lot. Inside the thing is a little message to, if you're looking for the secret to more smoochable lips, and you've opened the right box. Resurface your lips, boosting hydration and leaving them soft, supple, and smiling. Apply generous amount lips prior to sleeping. Upon awakening, wipe with damp cotton pad to remove. That's that. Up next, what's this? Vacuum cleaner, pores no more. From Dr. Brandt, purifying mask. Have I used, I don't remember if I've ever used Dr. Brandt. It's not a cheap product. That's what it looks like. It's like bluey. Oh, okay. It's like exfoliating. Okay. But not like, oh, look, and then the little things pop, I guess. And oh, interesting. Okay. I'll give that a go. It doesn't feel drying or anything on my hand, so. Next, What's next? Oh, 111 Skin. Expensive. Rose Gold Radiance Booster. Booster Illuminator or Rose. Let's see, what does it say? Directions. Shake well before use. Mix 1 to 2 drops into the palm of your hand with your favorite moisturizer or apply directly to the skin after cleansing. This is it. I have tried a couple things from 111 Skin. I like them. Still have the masks I got in BoxyCharm. And I did enjoy that. God, I'm running out of room. Oh, it's like, okay. So it is like illuminating, but not like crazy. All right. Yeah. Okay, it sinks into your skin nicely. It's nothing crazy. You don't have a sheen or anything like that. No, it's right here. Nope, it sinks right into your skin. But what does it do? What are the benefits? Rosacea damascensa? I don't know. Natural radiance of skin for a coveted dewy, lit from within complexion. Okay, I like a lit from within complexion. And the next is Pink Diamond from Rodale Cleansing Balm. Let's see, mine looks like, all right, but I mean, it's a cleansing balm. I was just gonna try to smell it. Let's see. Can I? Are you gonna let me smell you? I got a little bit on my hand here. Oh, it smells good. Ooh, florally, it smells good. I don't mind when it's scented if I can wash it off. Do you know what I mean? Removes makeup and dirt from the face while visibly transforming the appearance of the skin. Take a small amount and warm in the hands. Apply directly to the face to break down makeup, dirt, or purify the skin. Rinse with warm water. So this is it. I'll try this. And again, like with any skincare, you can't know how it's going to benefit you right off the bat. So I'll give all this a try and let you all know in the future what I think of it. But I was so excited to finally get it. Then this is what is it? This is April's glam bag, by the way. Just so you guys know, my glam bag X is May. So I got all this today, literally. And I was so freaking excited. And I really enjoyed the boxes better than I did my boxies. So I wanted to really jump on here and share with you guys. So I have the lips, bronzer, and highlighter is Tom Ford. My blush is the NARS. I got the Deep Throat. But I've heard next month we're supposed to be getting Orgasm. So I'm excited. But yeah, the One Size Patrick Star eyeshadow is on my eyes. I love it. I also have Tom Ford mascara, then Nior. In case anyone's curious on how that looks, that's that. I have the MAC lipstick. I have the Lauren Conrad lip gloss on. And I use the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Oh, and I have the Tatcha water cream underneath my foundation. And that's it, guys. So I'll see you again for another round. Maybe I'll hop on here soon and play with some makeup. See you next time. Bye.